Hi guys, my name's Ethan. Just thought I'd do a little review on my machine and the Masso. This is my cat Kayani. Hello. And there's 3 more in here somewhere. So we got 16 tools with the automatic tool changer, power drawbar, 2-stage cylinder. I've got a NEMA 23 hybrid motor up there, but that will be getting replaced for a NEMA 34. As you see, it's still a bit unfinished. Plan to do that very soon. The cardboard makes for great chip catches. The electrical box is a bit how you going at the moment? But once I've got everything tied up, then that will be it for that and be nice and clean. So I've decided to go with Masso over Mark III, which was on my previous machine. From beginning, Masso looked great because didn't need a computer. I seem to have trouble before with my computer always dropping out and losing the smooth stepper. But yeah, Masso, it's great. Just turn it on and my CNC's there, alive. All I got to do is home it and yeah, set up for whatever job. Yeah, this tool changer was a lot of work. It was planned really early on with Masso. They were that was just one of my cats. They were pretty keen to jump in and help me set up. They did the logic, help with wiring, and originally I had a helical spur gear driven, but suggestion from them, we went to Geneva wheel. These are the little counters, currently in its home position. I've had to put a mad chamfer on all these tool holders, which now glides perfectly into the spindle. The 3D printing was a new thing to try, and it's been great so far. The 3D printed tool holders work a treat, especially during the testing stage, as they were able to break and not destroy my machine. Oh, there's another cat. Masso support, they got back to me pretty quickly once I was ready to set up the tool changer. Yeah, there were ongoing communications, no issues there. Yeah, I'd highly recommend them. I have plans for the future to add a tool height setter. I got a 4th axis in the plans with NEMA 34 hybrid to drive it. I will build an enclosure for this and set up full coolant, and yeah, sometime next year I'll also be purchasing another Masso to build a router. That will be quite a nice machine. It'll have about a 700 by 1300 build area. No auto tool change, unfortunately. But yeah, I've been pretty happy. I don't think I'd go back to Mark III. Masso, easy to configure, everything I want. If I've got any problems, I just email or go on the forum. I had some issues early on setting up my spindle motor, as I made the wrong decision and bought a 5-volt logic one, whereas I should have bought a 10-volt logic. And yeah, the forum allowed me to knock up this small voltage divider, and it works great so far. So I can drop my signal by half. So yeah, overall really happy